Welcome! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show how to disable push notification alerts in Discord so you can finally enjoy a little peace without constant pings and pop-ups. Whether you're part of an active server or just trying to cut down on distractions, these simple steps will help you take control of your notifications once and for all. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Once you're in, look down to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap it. This will take you straight to your account and app options. Next, tap on the settings icon. This is where all your preferences are stored, from privacy to sound, and of course, notifications. After you're in the settings menu, start scrolling down until you find the option labeled Notifications. Tap on it to open your notification preferences. Inside this section, you'll see several types of alerts that Discord sends, but the one we're focusing on today is called Community Activity Alerts. Tap on it to view the options related to notifications from community servers. Now, to disable push notifications completely, all you need to do is toggle off the switch next to push notifications. Once that's done, you'll no longer receive those instant banner alerts when someone posts or reacts in your community.